I'm Todd Dukes with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Dallas. When it comes to replacing your toilet, efficiency is the key. While porcelain toilets can last up to 50 years with proper care, the inner components may need more frequent attention. However, there comes a time when a full replacement is in order. And when that time comes, consider the impact on both your wallet and environment. Did you know that toilets account for nearly 30% of home water usage? By swapping out an older model for an eco-friendly option, you can save both water and money. Look for the EPA's WaterSense label when choosing a new toilet and educate yourself on the benefits of low flow and dual flush options.